How are we going to start this again?
You guys, 4 bars of you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
How are we going to start this again?
You guys, 4 bars of you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Boom, 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 boom.
Ooh, yeah, yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
They say it's alright.
Boom, boom, boom.
They say it's alright.
Boom, boom, boom.
Say it's alright. Have a good time. Cause it's alright. Whoa, it's alright. Now we gonna move it slow.
Boom, boom, boom.
Up in the lights are low.
Boom, boom, boom.
When you move it slow, it feels like a moan. Cause it's alright. Whoa, it's alright. And now listen to the beat.
Boom, boom, boom.
And kinda tap your feet. Yeah. You got soul. Everybody knows that it's alright. Whoa, it's alright.
Boom, boom.
When you wake up early in the morning, feeling sad like so many of us do. Oh, my little soul, make life your goal. And surely something's gotta come to you, and you gotta say it's alright.
Boom, boom, boom.
They say it's alright.
Boom, boom, boom.
Say it's alright. Have a good time. Cause it's alright. Whoa, it's alright. Everybody clap your hands.
Boom, boom, boom.
Give yourself a chance.
Boom, boom, boom.
And you got soul. Everybody knows that it's alright. Whoa, it's alright.
Boom, boom, boom.
Someday I'll find me a woman who will love and treat me real nice. When my road's gotta go, my love she will know from morning, noon, and in the night. And she's gotta say that it's alright.
Boom, boom, boom.
They say it's alright.
Boom, boom, boom.
Say it's alright. Have a good time. Cause it's alright. Whoa, it's alright. Everybody clap your hands
Boom, boom, boom.
and give yourself a chance.
Boom, boom, boom.
You got soul. Everybody knows that it's alright. Whoa, it's alright. You got soul. Everybody knows that it's alright. Whoa, it's alright.
This dance is called Say It's Alright. It is a 1-wall, 32 count, beginner level line dance, choreographed by Gell. This is my dance. Weight is on the left, 7, 8, right toe, strut with click fingers, left toe, strut with click fingers. On walls 6 and 9, change the click fingers to clap. Rock forward on the right, recover left, right coaster step. Weight is on the right foot, now facing 12 o'clock. Step forward on the left foot, make a half turn pivot, right, step forward on the left foot. Hold for the next count with clap. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 6 o'clock. Right toe strut with click fingers, left toe strut with click fingers. On wall 6 and 9, change the click fingers to clap. Rock forward on the right, recover left, right coaster step. Step forward on the left foot, make a half turn pivot right, step forward on the left foot, hold for the next count with clap. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 12 o'clock. Step the right foot to the right diagonal, shimmy, touch left next to right, clap. Step the left foot to the left diagonal, shimmy, touch right next to left, clap. The counts of the dance. Weights on the left. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of walk 7, there is a 16 count pause in the music. Just remain in the touch position until the music restarts, starting wall 8. Also, there is an ending on wall 10. You will dance the first 12 counts and add a 2 count ending. Wall 10 starts facing 12 o'clock. This is wall 10, weight is on the left, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. This is count 12, add a 2 count ending here. Step forward on the right for 1, make a half turn pivot left for 2. Now finishing at the front wall. Thank you so much for watching.